What up, YouTube? About to go pick the Regal up, building change plans, just like an old school post to. I was trying to do a lot of cosmetic shit first, and you know, get it all cute so I can ride this summer and I can really enjoy the car before I send it off to get it painted and all that other stuff. V6 leaking, a little bit of everything. It went from antifreeze leak to oil leak to antifreeze oil transmission leak. So about to get that, go pick the car up, get it done, send it down to my guy, pull all that shit out, and I'll let y'all guess what power plant we go put in it out before we get it dropped off, and then I'll get some of the in-between process. So you'll probably see this video before everything actually gets finished, and then we'll do a part 2 to show y'all the vehicle running, what we end up going with on the swap before we go down and send it off to paint, get the interior done, and get the music done. So no riding this summer, but it is what it is. It's part of that old school life, and I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, so we got it out. Go let it warm up. With the changes, end up taking the spokes off because it didn't need to be cute. My shoulders up under the hood. But it's pretty much what we're working with. Changed all this stuff out. We got so many little box wires and just too many little loose ends to tighten up on this thing to get it going. So we got radiator leak, get all that stuff done. I'm gonna have my guy do the paint and body. We go sheet metal everything. Something different to do to the G-body game that ain't nobody really doing. I got my boy D&D towing, picking it up. I'll highlight them if y'all need any tows in the city. Alright, so we got the car in the tow truck. About to head up now to the guy Brent. He gonna do the swap for me. We go try to get everything we can taken care of in one whop. Rear end, suspension, call it a day, some brakes. But like I said in the first video, not trying to go all out. I ain't trying to spend, you know, $100,000 in the G-body just to say, okay, yeah, we got $100,000 in the G-body. But we are gonna touch everything. Right with me, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, so she at. So we got the clean slate. Go degrease everything, get it painted black, all new reservoirs. Take all the emission stuff out. But we'll see what it do when it come back at. Let me know what y'all think. We go drop in now, and I'll probably see y'all in a couple weeks. Yeah, I followed my guy Built by Brent on Instagram, and you'll probably see some of the progress coming soon. I'll let y'all later.